In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to get set up to run Facebook and Instagram ads the right way in 7 easy steps. If you thought getting set up to run ads was hard, I promise you, I'm gonna change your mind by the end of this video, all right? And as I go through this tutorial, I want you to write down your questions in the comments below, and we'll do our best to answer every single question. So first off, before I get into the video, I have to say this. If you're boosting your post, stop boosting your post. Boosting your post does not work. Facebook makes it seem very, very easy to do so, but I'm telling you, you're not gonna get what you're looking for. The way you wanna do it is run your ads from the Facebook Ads Manager on the back end, and that's what I'm gonna show you how to get set up to do on this video today. All right, guys, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is go ahead and log into your Facebook account just by going to facebook.com and just log into your normal account. Once you're logged into Facebook, what I want you to do is go to business.facebook.com/settings. And when you get to this page, if you've already set up a Facebook Business Manager before, they're gonna all show up right here. So you can have multiple business managers for different kinds of businesses. And what you'll do is you'll just select the one that you actually wanna work on today. If you go to this website and you don't see a business manager set up, then you need to go ahead and set up a Facebook Business Manager. And you can do that easily by going to business.facebook.com/overview. All right. When you get to this page, it'll prompt you to go ahead and create an account. You can click right here. You can go ahead and add your business name, add your name, put in your business email. Make sure that you have access to this email because they're going to send you something that you need to actually confirm immediately. So go ahead and do that, hit submit, and then you have created your business manager. Okay. So once you've created your business manager, you're going to come to this page and you're going to select the business manager that you want to work in. So I'm going to go ahead and select our company, Rich From Anywhere. All right. And then it's going to take you to your Facebook business settings. Okay. So I'm going to take you guys through each step right now that you have to have set up if you want to start running ads the right way. Okay. The first thing you need to do is come over to this little menu item that says pages. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and add your Facebook page to your business manager. So if you already have a Facebook page, then what you'll do is click add and then you'll hit add page. You'll type in the name of your page right here and then you'll select the page from the drop down. If you don't have a Facebook page, you're going to need to go ahead and set one up. And when I say Facebook page, I don't mean like a personal page. I mean like a business page, right? You can't run ads from a personal Facebook page. You have to run ads from a business page. So you have to create that. And you can easily do that by clicking on add. And then you can go ahead and create a new page from right here if you need to, and just go through this. It's pretty simple to do that, right? So once you've done that, you're going to see your Facebook page show up right here and you're good to go. The next thing you need to do is hook up your Instagram account. And you can do that by coming over to the left-hand side and hitting Instagram accounts. Now, the same thing, if you don't have an Instagram account, then you can go ahead and create one. But if you already have an Instagram account, you can go ahead and click the button that says add, and then you hit connect your Instagram account. And what it'll do is it'll prompt you to log in to your account. And once you do that, you will see that your Instagram account shows up right here, and then you are good to go. Okay, cool. The very next thing that I want you to do is I want you to come over to where it says add account. And now I want you to set up an ad account. An ad account is basically the place inside of here where you're going to be running all your ads. You're going to be managing your ads, coming in, looking at the numbers. That's what your ad account is. Okay. So if you don't have an ad account already, then you can click on the blue button that says add, and then you can go ahead and create a new ad account. And then all you're going to do is you're going to name your ad account, which usually I would just say, whatever your business name is. So you can do, my business ad account like that. And then you will choose your time zone that you're in, and you'll also choose the currency that you want to use. Then you'll hit next. And then you basically will say, okay, I want this ad account to be used for my business, and you're going to attach it to your business and then hit create. When you finish creating your ad account, you will see your ad account show up right here on this column right here. Now, once you've set up your ad account, the next thing you need to do is hook up a payment method to your ad account so that you can actually pay for your ads. You can't run ads unless you have a payment method hooked up to Facebook. All right. And the easiest way to do that is when you see your ad account listed on this little column right here, go ahead and click on it. And over here on the right-hand side, I want you to hit the little drop-down icon right here and then hit where it says View Payment Methods. That's going to take you to another screen, and it's going to show you all the different payment methods that you have. And if you don't have a payment method hooked up, then you can go ahead and just click on the button that says Add Payment Method right here. select debit or credit card or PayPal or whatever you want to do, hit next and go ahead and add your card information and then hit save. And at that point, you will have a payment method hooked up to the ad account and you're good to go. Once you've hooked up your payment method to your ad account, the next step is to create a Facebook pixel or a meta pixel, as they call it nowadays. And actually, they've changed the name again. They don't actually call it a pixel anymore. They've now changed it to a data set. Now, creating a Facebook pixel is very, very important, okay? You cannot skip this step. For those of y'all who don't know what a pixel is pretty much like a little piece of code that you put on your website. And what it does is it tracks all the behavior on your website. So when you're running ads and people start looking at your product pages, they're adding things to cart, they're purchasing things, right? The pixel's sitting there collecting all that data and watching what's happening. And then what it does is it takes all that behavior, takes all that data, and it sends it back over to Facebook. So now you can go inside of your ad account when you're running your ads and you can see which ads are actually making you money and which ads are wasting you money. Right? And you can make strategic decisions on which ones to cut off and which ones to scale up. Now, if you don't have a pixel on your website, you don't know which ads are working and which ads are not. So you're pretty much running ads blind, which is not a good look, right? And there's a bunch of other things that you can do with the Facebook pixel that I'm not going to get into in this video, but just know that it's extremely important. And we like to say no pixel, no profits. That's a really easy way to remember it. If you don't have a pixel installed on your website or the landing page that you're driving traffic to, it's virtually impossible for you to make money, all right? And it's literally impossible for you to scale it to where you want to go because you have no idea what's working and what's not working, right? So anyway, now that you guys know what a Facebook pixel is, let's go ahead and create one. And you do that by going over to data sources. And this used to be in pixels, right? It would make sense that if you want to create a pixel, then you go to the section that says pixels. But if you go to the pixels, you will see that you cannot add because this is not where you create a pixel anymore. What you have to do is you have to go down to the other one that says data sets. And this is where you actually create a pixel now. And this is very confusing. This is why videos like this are so helpful because, you know, people are getting tripped up by this kind of stuff. So anyway, go to data sets and then you will click the button that says add. And what you're going to do is you're going to name your data set. So again, I like to just call it whatever your business is. So my business pixel or my business data set, if you want to call it that. And then you'll just hit create. And then you're going to see that the pixel will show up right here on this little middle column right here. Okay. Now that you've created the pixel, here's the next thing you need to do. You need to attach your pixel to your ad account, because if your pixel is not attached to your ad account, then you can't leverage the pixel when you're running your ads. This is another thing that people get tripped up on a lot. And it's very easy to do this. All you do is select your pixel and then you hit this little button that says connected assets and you assign an asset. And then you're going to see your ad account is going to be listed right here. So all you do is select the ad account that you want to attach the pixel to and then hit add and you're done. Okay, cool. So now once that's done, you have your pixel and you're good to go. But here's the next step. You have to integrate your pixel with your website. Now I'm not going to go into how to do that in this video because there's a lot of different types of website builders and they all have different processes. So there's no way that I could show you guys all in this one video, but you know, that's an easy Google search. You can just say, hey, how to integrate the pixel with insert whatever website builder you're using. Okay. Now, once you get the Facebook pixel integrated with your website, you are pretty much now ready to run ads, and you're going to start running your ads from the ad account that you created, right? And the way that you get there is you come up to these three little lines, the hamburger menu, and then click on that and then click where it says Ads Manager. And this is going to take you over to your Ads Manager. All right. Now, when you get to your Ads Manager, it's very important to note that it might not take you directly to the ad account that you just created. It might take you to a different one, right? So you need to click up here in the top little menu right here and just make sure that you're selecting the right ad account. And then at this point, guys, here's the thing. If you guys have set up everything just the way that I told you right now, you should see this little create button and it should be lit up green. And if it is lit up green, then that means you are ready to start setting up ads and you are good to go. If you come to this screen and you see that this create button is not clickable, or it's kind of like grayed out a little bit, then that means that you probably missed a step and you need to kind of go through these steps again. And it might be something like very simple, like you need to add your payment method or something like that. But if you are seeing this green and you're able to click it like this, that means you're good to go and you're ready to start running ads. Now at this point, all you have to do is just start setting up your campaign and start driving traffic into your world, into your business. And I'm telling you, Facebook ads are an incredible way for you to start driving traffic into what it is that you're doing. Okay. We've been running Facebook ads for nearly 10 years and it's literally changed our lives. It's changed hundreds of people that we've taught this stuff as well. So I highly recommend that you get this going. And by the way, if you guys are all set up and you're ready to run ads and you want to save yourself the headache of trying to learn how to set everything up the right way, like what objective to use, how to do targeting properly. If you want to learn the right way to do it, the way that we've been doing it, we have the most affordable, most insanely valuable Facebook ads course that you've ever got your hands on. I'll put the link in the description so you can check it out for yourself, and comment below when you go through it and let us know what you think, because people have been blown away by it and I know that you will be too. All right, guys, that's how you get set up to run Facebook and Instagram ads the right way. Like I said before, there's a link in the description if you guys want the most affordable, insanely valuable Facebook ads course that you've ever gotten in your life. Click the link below. We'll prove it to you. If you got some value from this video, hit the like button, subscribe, comment below, all that good stuff, and share this with a friend who wants to get set up with using Facebook and Instagram ads the right way, right? Sharing is definitely caring when it comes to stuff like this, all right? So with that being the case, we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.